Hey everyone, this is Ken and we're unboxing the Anker Powerport 2PB. So this is a fast charging wall charger capable of up to 49.5 watts of charging. So according to Anker, that's 3 times faster than our regular charge. So this charger has 2 ports, a USB-C power delivery port and a USB-A Power IQ 2.0 port. I bought this charger to fast charge my iPhone, and according to Anker, it will fast charge an iPhone 8 and later models for up to 50% in just 30 minutes. However, we need to buy the separate USB-C to Lightning cable sold by Apple. There's a tab right here to open the box. So this is just a preview of the product. You can't get the product here as it is covered in plastic. To get the wall charger inside the box, we must open it at the bottom. So there's a pull tab here, pull sticker. Just pull this one out and you can now access your wall charger. This is what's inside the box, the Anker, and the welcome guide. These are the directions on how to use it, customer service, and the safety precautions. The wall charger is covered in plastic, both at the front and at the back. So to remove the plastic, just hold the 2 sides right here, pull the outer side, front side, and there you have it. So according to the box, this wall charger weighs about 130 grams. The texture is smooth and it's quite shiny. With regard to its size, I'll be comparing it with the wall charger that comes with the iPhone. So it's about 4 times bigger, but the thickness is just about the same. I also have here a 61 watt USB-C power adapter from Apple. This is the one that I use to charge my MacBook Pro. As you can see, they're almost the same, but the 61 watt adapter by Apple is a bit bigger than the Anker. Thickness, they're just about the same. There is about a 10 watt difference between these wall chargers. But the Apple wall charger only has 1 port, a USB-C port, while the Anker has 2 ports, a USB-C and a USB-A. Plug the wall charger, a blue light lights up, as you can see right there. Already tried to charge my MacBook Pro with this wall charger. However, unlike the Apple wall charger, you cannot use the MacBook while charging it with this wall charger. I've also tried to charge my GoPro Hero 7 Black with this wall charger. Also used the wall charger for the dual battery charger by GoPro. So before, a full charge would take about 2 hours or more. Now with this fast wall charger, it took about 1 hour and 30 minutes. And that is just by using the Power IQ 2.0 port. Now when I used the USB-C power delivery port, a full charge took more or less 1 hour. So it took half the time to fully charge the GoPros using the power delivery port. I tried to charge this wall charger with my iPhone 8 Plus, and a full charge took 1 hour and 45 minutes, more or less, using the USB power delivery port. I highly recommend this wall charger because it has 2 ports, a USB-C and USB-A port, and both ports are fast charging. Now these ports are compatible with most of my devices, And this is a big thumbs up for my unboxing and review of the Powerport 2PD by Anker. Please click the like button and subscribe to my channel to get more of this type of videos in the future. So again, thanks for watching.